Hello students, today our topic is square and square root. We are going to discuss the concept of this. Fine. So, in this part I am taking the squares. So, what is a square of any number? Square of any number is the number raised to power 2. That means when we are going to multiply the number by itself, we are going to get the square of that number. For example, if a is any number, a square equal to a multiplied by a. 2 square equal to 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 and 5 square equal to 5 multiplied by 5 equal to 25. The next thing is perfect square or square number. A natural number n is called a perfect square or square number if there exists a natural number m such that n is equal to m square. Now, what does it mean? It means a natural number is a perfect square if it is a square of some natural number. कोई भी number अगर perfect square है, that means it is a square of a natural number. For example, 4 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 2 square. 25 equal to 5 multiplied by 5 equal to 5 square and 144 equal to 12 multiplied by 12 equal to 12 square. Next comes properties of square numbers. Property 1, if 2, 3, 7, 8 are coming at the ones place of any number, so that number can never be a perfect square. Fine, that number cannot be a perfect square. For example, 5 multiplied by 5 equal to 25, 6 multiplied by 6 equal to 36, 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. So, what is at the unit place in these number? That is 5, 6 and 9, not 2, 3, 7 or 8. So, we have to check whether 2, 3, 7, 8 is there at unit place, then it is not a perfect square. Property 2, the number of zeros in the end of any number must be even. For example, 100, 400 and 50,000. How many zeros are there? 2, 2 and 4. So, these are the perfect square. If I talk about 10 and 1000, how many zeros? 1 and 3. So, that means it is not a perfect square. Next thing is property 3, square of a even number will be even and square of a odd number will be odd. Fine. For example, 12 is a even number, so its square is 144 which is even, and 11 is a odd number, its square is 121 which is a odd number. So, even number का square even और odd number का square odd. Next property, अगर हम n odd natural numbers को add करते हैं, we are adding n odd natural numbers, their addition will be the square of number of odd numbers. For example, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. How many natural numbers we are taking? Odd natural numbers, these are 5. So, their sum will be 5 square equal to 25. So, number of natural number, आपको actually करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, just count the number of odd natural numbers, square it and you will get the sum. Now, what is Pythagorean triplet? Another topic in this. Pythagorean triplet is being calculated in case of right angle triangle where hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. So, triplet is 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1, this thing. This is called the Pythagorean triplet. How we are going to use it? In the questions, let us take one example. Write the Pythagorean triplet for whose one number is 6. हमें एक number दिया हुआ है, we have to calculate the Pythagorean triplet for the others. Now, if we have 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1, let us write 6 in front of 2m. 2m equal to 6, so m will be 6 by 2 equal to 3. So, 2m की वैल्यू क्या आएगी हमारे पास? 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6. Now, m की वैल्यू हमें पता चल गई. We can find out the value of m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. m square minus 1 will be 3 square minus 1 which is 8 and m square plus 1 equal to 10. So, Pythagorean triplet will come out to be 6, 8 and 10 in this case. So, this is how we are going to use it. Now, there are few examples without actually calculation, following are not the perfect square, give reason. You can check A, B and C, the numbers at A, B and C, what is at the unit place, 7, 3 and 8. So, we have already read the property, if 2, 3, 7, 8 is coming at unit place, they can never be a perfect square. So, next question, what will be the unit digit of the square of the following? 71. अब इसमें unit place पर क्या है? 1, 1 का square होता है 1. Fine. So, that means अगर हम इसका square करते हैं 71 का, तो 1 will be at the unit place. In case of 599, 9 multiplied by 9 is 81 and 1 is again at the unit place. Now, next thing that we are going to discuss is different methods of finding out the square of any number. How, if one number is given to you, how you can find out? Now, for calculating the square of any number, the first method that we are going to discuss is column method. In this, we make the different columns, and the formula which is being used is a plus b square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the formula that we are going to use it. Now, we will make the columns in which we have 3 columns. One is for a square. How many factors we have? A square, b square and 2ab. For all these 3, we are going to make the columns. A square, then 2ab, then b square. Now, what is a and b? Let's take the example of 57. So, a is 5 and b is 7 here. Fine. So, a square will be 5 square, which is 25. B square is 7 square, which is 49, and 2 multiplied by A multiplied by B. So, it will be 70. So, we have got these 3 things. Fine. So, let's now move ahead. So, A square is 25, B square is 49 and 2AB is 70. Fine. So, next thing we are going to do is, first thing is underline the unit digit of b square. We are going to start in this method from column 3, which is b square. Underline it. We are going to keep it same, and this 4 is going to be added in 70. So, this 4 is going to be added in 70. Fine. What we will get? क्या आएगा हमारे पास? यहाँ पर 49. This is same. Here 70 plus 4 is 74. So, 74 and 25. Fine. So, in this 74, this 4 will remain the same here only. This 9 is same and this 4 is same. We are going to keep the unit digit. So, this and this 7 is going to be added in 25. Fine. So, let's add it 7. So, what we are going to do? Add them. 7 plus 5, 12, and this will be 3, 1. Fine. So, what we have got? ये हमारा initial था. Fine. Initial से now we have added 7 here and we have got 32. We have added 4 here and we have got 74 and it is 49. So, we will take unit digit of this, unit digit of this and this whole 3, 2. So, this is our answer. The square of this will be 3249. We have taken unit digit of b square, unit digit of 2ab and a square pura. So, 3249 is our answer. Fine. So, you can repeat, see the video again if you are not able to understand the method. Next method is visual display method. Same जो हमारा formula था, which was initial a plus b का square. The same method we are going to use a square, b square, but in this we are going to make a box and there will be a cross in this box. We are writing a, b and b here. A, B, A, B. Fine. So, let's multiply where here A, we are taking the same example here, but 57 को हम कैसे लिखते हैं? 50 plus 7. Here this 50 will be A and 7 will be B. Fine. So, A square will be 50 multiplied by 50, which is 2500. यहाँ पर देखिए A and B. So, it will be 50 multiplied by 7, which is 350. here a plus b, a multiplied by b, 50 multiplied by 7 equal to 350, and b square is 7 multiplied by 7 equal to 49. Fine. So we are going to add them up. 2500 plus b square is 49 plus 350 plus 350. इन सबको ऐड करेंगे हम. 350 plus 350 is 700. So let's do it column wise. 2500 plus 700 plus 49. So it is 4923. The same answer that we have got. ठीक है. So हमने क्या किया, 57 को लिखा 50 plus 7. 50 is A and 7 is B. Then we have made a square out of which एक बीच में हमने कॉलम बनाया ए बी दोनों साइड. सो जस्ट मल्टीप्लाइड द number according to the situation. Fine. So this way we have got this is, and then added all the numbers here. The final method is diagonal method. In case of diagonal methods, you have to make a square and you have to divide this square in the same number of columns and rows as your number. ठीक है. So हमारे पास 57 में कितने डिजिट्स हैं, 2 डिजिट हैं. तो हमने इसको 2 वे में इसको डिवाइड किया है. जितने आपके इसमें कॉलम्स होते हैं उतने में ही हम इसको डिवाइड करते हैं. 2 डिजिट थे तो 2 इसके कॉलम और रोज होंगे. देन जॉइन देम लाइक दिस. डायगनल है तो डायगनली सबके डायगनल्स को हमने जॉइन कर दिया. फाइन. सो नाउ राइट डाउन सेम डिजिट एज द रोज एट द रोज एंड कॉलम्स. ठीक है. अब अकॉर्डिंगली मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. अब ये वाला जो बॉक्स है किसके लिए है, 5 5 के लिए. 5 5 जा 25. अब इसको लिखना कैसे है, 25 ऐसे ऊपर से नीचे. अब यहाँ देखो इसके लिए 7 और 5. सो 7 5 जा 35. तो 3 हेयर 5 एट दिस प्लेस. अब इस बॉक्स के लिए क्या आएगा, 5 एंड 7. 7 5 जा 35. और यहाँ पर देखिए 7 एंड 7. तो 7 7 जा 49. फाइन. जो भी सबसे नीचे है वहाँ से हम एडिशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. अब यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, 9. फिर कॉलम वाइज हमने एडिशन करना है. फर्स्ट कॉलम खत्म हो गया ये. फिर सेकेंड कॉलम 5 + 4 9. 9 + 5 14. सो 14 हमारे पास आ गया. 14 में यूनिट डिजिट हम यहाँ रखेंगे. ये डिजिट जो है वो इस कॉलम में प्लस होगा. ठीक है. नाउ इस कॉलम में प्लस करते हैं. सिर्फ अंदर के डिजिट्स को हम प्लस कर रहे हैं. 3 + 5 8. 8 + 3 11. 11 + 1 12. सो यहाँ पर हमारे पास क्या आया, 12. 12 में से 2 हम यहाँ रखेंगे और ये अगेन 1 आगे हमारे पास कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो जाएगा. सो 2 + 1 3. सो व्हाट विल बी आवर आंसर हेयर, आंसर विल बी 9 4 this 2 and this 3. So answer will be 3 2 4 and 9. ठीक है. लेट्स रिपीट इट अगेन. सबसे पहले हमने एक स्क्वायर बनाया. विल डिवाइड द स्क्वायर इन द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स. यहाँ पर 2 डिजिट्स है तो 2 इसके रोज और कॉलम्स में हमने इसको डिवाइड किया. एंड देन राइट डाउन द नंबर इन दिस वे. मल्टीप्लाई अकॉर्डिंग टू द बॉक्सेस एंड अरेंज देम फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम. ठीक है. पहले ऊपर वाली डिजिट, फिर नीचे, फिर ऊपर नीचे, एंड स्टार्ट एडिंग फ्रॉम द बॉटम वाइज कॉलम. एंड दिस वे यू कैन डू. फाइन.